everybody, I'm Kelsey and I'm here at Disneyland Resort and we're celebrating all things Pixar Fest, which runs through August 4th, 2024. Come along with me while I show you everything Pixar Fest has to offer, from the entertainment to the food and beverage, and we're gonna meet some friends along the way because we are celebrating friendship and beyond after all. All right, now that we're feeling these Pixar Fest vibes, let's go get the day started.
Hey everybody, I'm here at Pixar Pals Playtime Party in the Fantasyland Theater with Linda Love Simmons, Entertainment Show Director from Disney Entertainment. Linda, tell us about Pixar Pals Playtime Party.
It is the funnest place for families and friends and kids of all ages to dance and play games. We have so many different activities for everyone. So there's meet and greet locations as well as show moments where you can see Mr. and Mrs. Incredible, Rosa and Edna, Joy and Sadness, Woody, Jessie, and Bo Peep.
That is a lot of Pixar characters. 18 Pixar characters, wow. Are there new Pixar characters here for the first time?
Yes. Ember and Wade and Luca and Alberto are premiering here for the very first time. It's a lot of energy, but we tried to make sure we had something for everybody.
Okay, well with that, I can't wait to get down there and have some fun. So Linda, thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna get to it on the dance floor.
I'm here at Rancho del Zocalo in Disneyland Park and I'm about to go try the Goldbridge Cupcake inspired by cocoa. It's a tri-colored white sponge, cinnamon croquantine, cinnamon mousse, and cream cheese frosting, decorated with chocolate bridge and orange chocolate shavings. Look at these colors. I taste the vanilla, cinnamon, cream cheese frosting. It's delicious. Yes, I do eat my cupcakes with a fork and knife. So good. Okay, one more dessert before lunch. I'm here at Jolly Holiday and I'm about to try the Sea Monster Friends Parfait inspired by Luca. It's really refreshing. You really gotta dig in there for that graham cracker. All right, it's lunchtime. I'm here at Carnation Cafe, and this is the fried bologna sandwich inspired by Up. On this fried bologna sandwich, we had fried bologna and Monterey Jack with mustard and mayo on white bread, served with house-made chips, a pickle spear, and cinnamon apples. So this sandwich is inspired by the sandwich that Ellie used to make for Carl, his favorite, a bologna sandwich, plain and simple. So good. Carl has good taste. All right, now we're in Disney California Adventure Park. And before we go watch the parade, I'm gonna get the 2319 shake here at Schmoozie's inspired by Monsters, Inc. And it's vanilla, orange, and guava pineapple with shaved coconut on top.
And of course, I had to hop on Monsters, Inc., Mike and Sully to the rescue, to see a 2319 in person.
Check out the latest novelties. This is the Alien Pizza Planet Truck Bucket. And I also have the Slinky Dog Sipper. So cute for our Toy Story fans. All right, we found our spot. I'm so excited to see this all new daytime parade, Better Together, a Pixar Pals Celebration. I cannot wait to see some favorite Pixar Pals from iconic Pixar stories like Toy Story, Incredibles, but also some great Pixar Pals from newer stories. Okay, it's about to kick off. Come with me and we'll watch together. The parade was amazing. Heading over to the Hollywood backlot, I got a chance to meet Mr. and Mrs. Incredible in their retro supersuits for the first time and snap some cute photos. I also got to check out some Pixar shorts at the short stop. As you guys can see, there's lots to do during Pixar Fest here in the Hollywood backlot during the day and night. And I have a really special guest joining us. Let's go meet her. All right, everybody, I'm here at Club Pixar now with Tracy Hallis from Disney Live Entertainment. She's the creative director for all of Pixar Fest, including Club Pixar. Let's go check it out. All right, Tracy, tell us all about Club Pixar. What are we doing here tonight?
Well, as you can see, this is a high energy, really fun dance family location.
Okay, so I hear the DJ right now. I hear some new music coming on. What are the types of things you can experience here at Club Pixar?
Yeah, well, what you're hearing is the Club Pixar dance location. So we have a DJ host that leads all the guests through like learning some dances so they can learn a little hoedown, a little Monsters U cheer that everybody can learn, and then somebody's favorite Four Town. They get to learn some dances.
I love that. I'm definitely coming back for that. I'm a big Four Townie, so.
Yeah. But this stage is activated for the entire party. So there's also an interpretive dance show where we show some scenes from different Pixar films, and then we have some really great, energetic, dynamic dancers that come out and do a show. It's a great place to spend your evening.
That sounds like somewhere I want to be. You want to check it out with me?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so there's even more to do in the short stop area. Tracy, what else are we about to do?
This is the fun game zone. So there's all different games in this short stop area.
So fun. Let's go play. Here we go, here we go. Oh, yes! Let's give it a shot. Oh, no! Oh, it was cute, right? That's what I was going for. All right, Tracy, let's do it. Don't do what I did. Oh, yes! Nice job! First try. Okay, well, I'm having too much fun at Club Pixar, so I'm gonna stay here. But Tracy, what do you say? Should we send it over to Casey Wilkerson over at Disneyland Park?
Let's do it.
He is principal media designer and show director for Together Forever, a Pixar nighttime spectacular.
So as you guys can see, I'm standing out here in front of Sleeping Beauty Castle at the Disneyland Resort, and we are getting ready to watch Together Forever, a Pixar nighttime spectacular. The things that I'm excited about as the director of this show, there's too many to list, but a couple of things are we have returning elements like Buzz Lightyear. Buzz is going to fly high above Sleeping Beauty Castle, and then toward the end of the show, all of our guests get to enjoy Carl and Ellie's house from up, all attached to balloons flying over the castle as well. It's not just the returning elements, there's a lot of new as well. We have characters from Pixar's Elemental, from Soul, from Luca, from Onward, and most excitingly, from Turning Red. Seriously, I'm over the moon about this show, and I can't wait for guests to see it.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today here at Pixar Fest. I hope you can come check it out here at the Disneyland Resort running through August 4th.